sound of a wounded earth.
Now listen.
For God loved the world so much that He created us in a special way to take care of His nature. But it's so ironical, so satirical to realize that it has become our nature to destroy it instead. Deforestation, without your forestation, has caused so much frustration. Through drought, ruthless drought that has shown its wrath to the vulnerable parts of our nation, where men has turned into murderers of our beautiful ecosystem. What is it? It's X-Mail system. Seeing them carelessly cut down trees for reason best known to them. Charcoal burning business, of course, being the main business. A filthy business that has immensely led to environmental degradation, denying us accessibility to fresh air. Rains there being very rare. A climatic change that has paved the way to Mr. Global Warming in a close range. So strange. Just take a look at Mau, Karura, and Nyakweri. If you've been there, you'll affirm that these are wounded forests, daily bleeding with no animals breeding. Our exotic tree species daily becoming extinct. Reason being why? I don't know why. Maybe charcoal burning business, I guess. No, wait. Talking of charcoal burning, a weird activity that has been seen in most parts of Narok County like Nyakweri Forest for fuel. Are there no other alternative sources of energy that do not depreciate the environment? Renewable sources of energy, as a matter of fact? Tell me why. Why would a normal being burn tires, plastic materials, and even rugs in an open air instead of doing so in an underground incineration? Does that person care for this generation? Really? Ironically, a lost generation that has embraced the culture of sniffing bang, marijuana, cannabis sativa, you call it. Less caring of its afterwards repercussions like throat cancer, lung cancer. Oh my God, it's a high time we need to heed to Greenpeace Africa and Green Belt movement policies of campaigning for the environmental restoration, planting at least 1 billion trees as we look forward to Vision 2032. And by doing so, my friend, we shall appease the spirit of the late Professor Ngare Maathai, who was globally honored through a Nobel Peace Prize for her tireless efforts of spearheading environmental conservation. Let's all take up that due responsibility by managing solid waste through reuse, reduce, and recycle for mazingira yetu, jukumu letu. Let's all end pollution, conserve the environment. Courtesy of First Lady Mazingira Award 2025. Peace.